Hi guys, welcome to another Seb Sesh. I'm Seb, head mixologist at Gin and Tonic, and together we're going to be doing a really delicious variation on a gin sour, which we like to call the Royal Fizz. So for this, we're going to be using the shaker, and I'm just going to go ahead and juice 25 ml of fresh lemon juice. So the gin fizz has been around for roughly 150 years. We actually have it published in the world's first cocktail book written by Jerry Thomas in 1877. And since then we've enjoyed this cocktail classic, but we've also enjoyed a few variations on it. One of the most famous one being the Royal Fizz, which we're doing right now. So I've added 25 ml of fresh lemon juice, and I'm gonna balance that out with 20 ml of simple sugar syrup. Now it's time for the base, and the star of the show is going to be our lovely Mercato Mediterranean gin. Go ahead and spoil yourself to 50 ml. All right. So now, here comes the tricky part. This drink uses egg white. But for all you vegans out there, you can skip this step or feel free to substitute that with chickpea water. I found that it works best with gin. So I'm just gonna go ahead and separate just the white. So I'm separating egg white. I'm gonna keep the yolk on the side, and we can further use that later on. But for now, we're just gonna measure 20 ml of egg white and add that to the shaker. So next step, you're gonna need to dry shake that a bit. We wanna break the texture of the egg and make it nice and fluffy. So just a few dry shakes. No ice required at this point. Next, I'm gonna push it even further, and I'm gonna give it a few throws. So this way I can create a bit of aeration to the mix. All right, so now we're ready to ice it up and give it a proper firm shake. So it requires quite a lot of shaking. We want to break the texture of the egg, and we want to make it silky and smooth. Next, we're going to prepare our glass. We're going to be using a highball glass, and we're going to fill that up with ice all the way to the brim. Lovely. Now, using the double strain method, just give that a few swirls and just double strain everything on top of the ice into your cocktail glass. Don't worry, it's not gonna fill it up all the way to the top, but this is where the Prosecco comes in. So we're gonna be adding just a small top, roughly 30 ml. All right, so it should be nice and fluffy. Go ahead and stick a straw there. Now this cocktail usually shines the gin that we're using, and in this case we're using a Mediterranean style gin, our Mediterranean style gin. So I'm gonna go ahead and garnish that with a lovely rosemary sprig. There we go. That's accentuating one of the botanicals we have inside the gin, which is rosemary. So there we have it, guys. Royal Gin Fizz. Cheers. Salute.